Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Nobody wants to be with me no more. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Now we're gonna go back to the shop and we're gonna pull that motor out. We came to the donut shop to get some hot chocolate with the kids. Highland Avenue, where everybody goes cruising. Morning. Oh,
whole family's here.
yeah, whole family. Can we get 3 small hot chocolates? You want large or you want medium? Medium? 1 medium and 1 large. Yes, ma'am. I got Jaime into the sandwiches too, but he asked for jalapeno. He's like, "Oh, you gonna get the sandwiches today? I'll go get them." And I was like, "Here, I'll give you money. You go get some." No, you want one?
Dad,
No.
these are new.
Oh, look! What the hell is that? They got the donuts with like cream filling in them.
And then
But I got Jaime. He's like, "It's number 3, right? Here, I'll go get it for you if you want it." This is the place where I get my hot chocolate. I get the number 3, the sandwich. You got to come and try it right here on Highland. It's Plaza Donuts. Best hot chocolate here. My favorite donut place to come to.
it's right there.
Ooh.
Anything else?
We'll get some those donut holes. No, we're good. I appreciate you. Telling you guys, if you guys haven't came here, try it. I love the hot chocolate. I know different people have got like different tastes and
But
shit.
I never
But
tried the hot chocolate.
oh yeah, you never tried the hot chocolate, but you're gonna try it today. Yeah. All right, guys, let's start going to the shop. It's got the Star Wars shit. Look at that. That's that one guy. He told you came for Smog, and he gave it to me. We're at the shop now. Kids are eating donuts. They're drinking their hot chocolate. I didn't think it was gonna be warm, but it's pretty warm out here. We got the vehicles already on jack stands. Everything's ready. We gotta remove the manifold bolts, torque converter bolts, bell housing bolt, the starter, shit like that. Start putting a seat belt or a chain on the block. Start pulling the motor. All right, let's get to it. Look, the sun feels so good right now. Okay, well, it's time to get dirty. So the exhaust bolts are gonna be removed right here. And then transmission bell housing bolts. And the damn starter. That starter right there. We gotta remove that starter right here. These engine mounts are 18 mils. Oh, excited. Yeah. It's only these 2 nuts that's holding this in place. Oh, no. We're going to use ratchety wrenches. All right. I got my ratchety wrench. Come on, girl. Don't be like that. Like, come on. Just trying to remove you. That's it. Don't be like that. Ugh, fuck, that is on there. Holy shitaco. Just say you don't want to get off. Our best friend, WD-40. You're being such a difficult son of a gun. Come on. I'm trying to like refresh you up, man. Okay, that's off. I'm gonna slide a jack right underneath the transmission to support it. All right. Oh, look at that. About 13 millimeter. I ought to be looking everywhere for that. Careful with the paint. Careful with the paint. Luckily, that's a bone. Let's pull her out. Bring her down. Right there. I should have went to Harbor Freight to go pick up some like covers or something. God. To at least put it on the fenders. I don't got time for that. You just gotta be careful. La la la. La la la. Okay, Daniel. So pump it. Pump it. Okay, I'm gonna make sure everything's off. Make sure everything's not connected. Okay. All right, let's bring this forward more. Ready? Hold on. Let me see. Careful. Oh, all right. Woo! Oh, she's leaking. Okay. We're good on that side. Let's get on this side. All right. I think we're good. We're home free. Pump it, son. Pump it. Oh, too much pumping? Let's go, son. Oh, time out. Let's put this right here so it doesn't paint. Okay, we're looking good, looking good. She's looking good. Okay, come on, man. Okay. Shades off. Come on. What the hell? Go down faster. Take your time. Take your time. Sir, you gotta move out of the way. Thank you. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna get the shop another another engine hoist, because this one's a pain in the ass to move around. She's out, boys and ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching. Okay. Okay, she's out, home boys and home girls and home skillets and biscuits. Yeah, anyways, check it out. So now we can take off the valve covers, intakes, water pump, pulley, harmonic balancer, your timing cover, your exhaust manifold, motor mount brackets, oil filter. Yeah, hell to the yeah. But I'm not gonna do that today because Chargers game is on, baby. Bolts up, we gonna win. I love you, Daniel. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Nobody wants to be with me no more.